Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about a small topic which is called transaction. Now let's understand this with an example. If you bought something on 100 rupees and you sell on 120 rupees, then how much you are making profit for? 20 rupees. So your profit and the loss realization would only be possible if you complete the transaction. You bought and then you sold, then transaction completed, profit or loss realization. If you bought on 100 and you sold on 90, again the transaction is completed, but in this case you made a loss of 10 rupees. So this is how the transaction works. A transaction is buy to sell and sell to buy. If you sold something and buy the same thing again, that is the next thing which we are going to learn in the next video. That is called the shorting. So shorting is the topic of next video. So if you sold something and buy it back, then the transaction gets completed. So this is the definition of transaction. A transaction is the series of two operations, and those operations are buying and selling. So if you bought something, you have to sell something. If you sold something, you have to buy it back. And this concept works in stock market, and we are going to learn them throughout our concept building blocks. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.